Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have a modern Word build and saving any open documents. Open Word and go directly to File. Once there, choose Account if present, otherwise Options. In Account, you'll see Office Theme, and in Options, look under General for Personalize your copy. Make the initial selection now. This is the quickest path to dark mode. If you don't see theme controls, make sure your Office is updated. Updates unlock theme and accessibility options. Once in Theme Settings, change Office Theme to black for full dark UI or dark gray for a subtler look. Then head to File Options General. There's a setting called Never Change the Document Page Color. Make sure it is unchecked if you want the page background to follow the dark UI. If you prefer only the editor dark, use Options Ease of Access to set page color independently. This controls contrast and reduces eye strain while you work. To finish, verify the change in normal and read modes so both UI and page color match. If the theme didn't apply, restart Word and check for Windows High Contrast or Office Update conflicts. System themes can override Office. If images or colored highlights become hard to read, toggle Never Change the Document Page Color or switch to Read mode temporarily. A single troubleshooting tip: update Office and restart.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.